When you look at a bottle of oil in the grocery store, there's a best before date, advising consumers how long they have to consume it before it starts going rancid and builds up oxidation products that can be particularly harmful to human health. Here are the best before dates for 8 culinary oils: almond oil, avocado oil, hazelnut, macadamia, grapeseed, rice bran, toasted sesame, and walnut oil. These are the best before dates in numbers of months, counting from the day the oil is made. So if you made a batch of walnut oil on January 1st, 2012, the best before date printed on the bottle from that batch would be 12 months later, January 1st, 2013. Now, this is making some pretty strict assumptions. This is assuming you're keeping the oil in the refrigerator in an airtight, dark container, so it's not exposed to air, room temperature, or light, particularly after it's opened. Now, these scientists were skeptical that the companies were printing accurate dates, and so they put all the oils to the test to find out what the true expiration dates were. Would it match what the companies say? Would the companies put a longer duration, trying to make the oil appear more stable than it really is? Or would they put a shorter duration, trying to encourage people to buy their product more frequently? For rice bran oil, the company said 7 months, and actual estimated shelf life found in the tests 6.5 months. Oh, not bad, pretty close. In some cases, though, the truth was stretched one way, in others it was stretched the other way. Look at almond oil. They said it would last for over a year, and it really only stayed good for 3 months. And remember, that's 3 months in the fridge in the dark, and after production, not after when you buy it. Macadamia and walnut oil were the real outliers, though mac oil lasted the longest, over a year. The company totally undersold its stability. But for walnut oil, they said a year, and it only lasted about 2.5 weeks, according to rancidity testing with the Ransomat.